What goes 50 miles an hour, has 14, 17-inch wheels, has good suspension, and looks sick as hell? Duh. It's the Yasma IN Pro, baby. Battery we got here is 60-volt, 27 amp hour. It's got a 14-inch rear wheel and a 17-inch front. Nice hydraulic brakes front and back. Front suspension and rear suspension. A nice bright front light and a bright rear tail light. This front plate is sold separately. And guys, this thing has a reverse mode.
Nice.
Today we're about to find out if the Yasma IN Pro is the best budget mini E-moto on the market today. All right, boys, we got the Yasma IN Pro. This is a black version. It's got the blue stickers on there. We're about to do a little burnout for you guys because this shit, I hate these meaty tires.
Feels like a nurse, little wretch is the worst.
You already know I gotta do a burnout for like 2 minutes. Burnout it. Burnout.
That's a big track, big facts.
Okay. Yo, Yasma IN Pro's got that power, bro. Oh yeah, yo, we got Sloaney Rides up in here. Oh, we got my boy Reed, Talaria Reed. Follow him on Instagram, bro. He's Wolfgang. This is the real identity of Wolfgang, bro. So we're about to just go right around the city. We're about to get a little street action on the Yasma IN Pro, see if this bike is good on the street, and then we're gonna go hit a little bit of off-road too. Stay tuned until the end of the video because it's gonna be crazy. Guys, check that thing out. That's a fully built ETM RTR. It's got the wheels, the battery, motor control. Line it up for the race. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! Yo, I caught up though. So we're about to hit the stairs. All right, Reed, you go first. Reed, you go first. Get a little bit of stair action on here. Woo. These brakes, they're honestly better than the 48-volt Yasma. I don't know why, but it's kind of give or take with these brakes. Sometimes they come in like pretty good. Sometimes they come in like, you know, kind of bad. One thing I don't really like about this Yasma is these narrow bars, bro. These bars feel like kid bars. This bike is meant for children. I'm probably gonna swap these handlebars to some Pro Taper bars so it feels a lot more up here and wide. Top speed on the Yasma, let's hit it. Dude, this thing hit 50. I don't know if that's the real top speed. I gotta go test it with my speedometer at home. A lot of these companies say that their bike goes a certain amount of speed, but when you actually put it to the test, it's not the correct speed. We're in this area called Calabasas. This is an area that's near my house. I can't really ride in my city because it is completely rolled of cops. The cops hate us around there. What the hell is this little girl doing, bro? How old is this girl? Is she like 11 years old? Yasma IN Yeah, man, this bike is looking really good. I put the blue stickers on there because, you know, I got a blue Drift 8 plate up there. I think it looks absolutely fire. We pull up to the mall, the Topanga Mall. Take that little bitch to Topanga. We're gonna go check out this mall right here. Sloan, you got some shopping to do or what? What the hell? What's this youngin' doing right there? Hey, you wanna go for a ride or what? Excuse me, pardon me. Casual, yo, they got ice. I'm trying to buy a ring for my wife. I've never been in the mall this long without getting kicked out on the bike. No one even cares, bro. We're just vibing out here in the mall. I'm not trying to see. Wait, hold up. I'm sure there's a security guard right there. Yeah, bro, that's Sloaney Rides right there, bro. Nah, bro, you with Sloaney Rides or what? Nah, bro, you need a picture with her or what? Nah. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? You gotta get a picture, bro. It's the one and only Sloaney Rides.
Yeah, I know the Sloaney Rides.
The Sloaney Ride. Bro, go get her autograph. Just ask her, bro. Bro, why you nervous, bro? Sloaney, my guy has a crush on you. We stayed here too long. Yes, sir, what's up?
I know y'all can't ride this.
What? Pretty sure we should be able to just walk him around, right?
You can't ride the bike in here, bro.
I just be a G, bro. We're just trying to, like, you know what I'm saying? Just like chill. Just.
You can't ride that in here.
So we gotta go? I appreciate you, fam, bro.
No, you good. I'm not trying to trip on y'all. I would let y'all ride this all through here if I can, but we can't let y'all do that.
Nah, bro, there's baddies out here, bro. I'm trying to rizz up on some baddies, you know?
I don't like doing this, bro. That's why I don't like you guys coming here and go crazy like that. Now I gotta say something.
Nah, I got you, bro. If I was in your position, I'd do the same thing.
Please be safe.
Hey, y'all, catch you later, Rashawn. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. You want to try out the Yasma IN Pro, bro? Yeah, bro, it's blue too, bro. Yo, do a wheelie. Let me see if you can do wheelies.
Throttle lag is so crazy.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of throttle lag. Well, you can't wheelie it? It is better than the 2DO, am I right? We just had a bunch of fun at the mall, and now we're going to be heading over to some off-road jumps. You want to go for a ride?
Yep.
All right, bet, hop on the back.
I want to ride the pink one.
You want to go for a ride? I'll take you for a ride. Bro, we'll take some turns. Yo, what's your name?
Marcia.
Marcia. Nah, that's a beautiful name, Marcia. It's nice to meet you. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Trust me. Damn! They're all taking him out for rides. Let's go! Now it's your turn. Come on, hop on the back. Hold on tight. Yo, let me get your number though, son. Here, you type it in. I'll catch y'all later. Anything for content.
Go to the bank for 1 million views.
He's lurking in my
got hair in that.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Try it, bro. Holy shit, bro. Is that a little girl on an ETM RTR?
Oh, let's go check it out.
Yo, what are you doing? Is that an ETM RTR?
Yeah, it's my pink RTR.
Damn, so what do you do on that bike? So you just like hit wheelies and stuff?
No, I just get my pink trim.
Damn, so you trying to go ride with us or what?
Yes. Can we go to Sephora?
Sephora? All right, yeah, we can go to Sephora. If you ride with us, you have to try and do a wheelie. At least you gotta try.
Okay.
Now, I bet you can't wheelie. Oh my God, there's no way! We do not litter. I do not condone littering. Yup. Guys, I haven't hit jumps in forever. I'm not comfortable hitting jumps yet. You guys know what happened the last time. It did not go so smoothly. I'm so terrified. Reed, I give you these keys in order to hit some jumps on my Yasma IN Pro.
You ain't gonna hit nothing on this though, right?
I think I want to hit a jump and break my other collarbone. And good on dirt. Good ass suspension, dirt tires. Ain't no complaining about this bike on dirt. Oh my God, my light. I've been riding this thing and it's at 2 bars right now. Yeah, above like 10 miles an hour, as soon as you're at 2 bars, this thing is barely giving any power. Yasma's IN Pro. Better go in an elevator right now. Wait. Going up. We're gonna be heading over to a ride out hosted by Papa Josh on one wheel. Outside on the Yasma IN Pro. This thing is super nice. We're just gonna go for this little ride out. It's about to become nighttime. Do you know how to ride this bike though? Do you know how to ride it?
Yes.
Are you sure 100%? All right, yo, you got that, bro. It's on the highest mode too. Little youngin' on a bike. Hey, yo, bro, you're a cool dad, bro. Oh, is this electric? Yeah, nah, bro, you gonna ride with us?
Yeah, he always does.
No way. Bro, this thing is so cool. Dude, I never knew cars pull up to e-bike ride outs. Yo, I need to see a burnout. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this Yasma, bro, this Yasma's nice. I'm trying to focus on the Yasma. I've seen this bike. I did do a comparison of the red Yasma IN Pro and the black one. And this black one is like actually like somewhat bigger than the red one. Yanni, so we gotta get clips, Yanni. Yo, it's so f***ing cold. These dirt tires are super hard to wheelie on, so I can't really do any wheelies. I like the blue sticker kit. It comes with blue ones and it comes with purple ones. I need me some snacks, bro. Bro, pay for me? Do you want something?
Hey, grab me like a tea or something.
Orange, Arizona, you want that?
Perfect. I didn't know they had that. That looks fine.
Right, bro? I've never tried this.
A few moments later.
The mount is bent.
Yeah, the whole mount is bent, bro. What did you do to it?
No, I seen this happen to someone else.
Yeah, no, that same thing happened to me. How do I fix it?
I don't think you can, bro. You're gonna have to kick it back.
I don't want to say it's GG's, but
Basically, what was going on here is that a kid's brake system completely malfunctioned. We didn't want to leave the kid in a bad part of LA, so we decided to help him make sure he got his bike to a safe space, and then he called his mom to come pick him up. So yeah, guys, this 48-volt Yasma is actually pretty sick. Definitely recommend it for any younger riders that are, you know, trying to get a little bit of a boost from their 48-volt Yasma or their 48-volt Tudio. For sure, like, this bike is much bigger than the Tudio or the Yasma IN10. Tudio and the 48-volt Yasma, you would have to be going about like 5 miles an hour in order to pop up a wheelie, but this thing, you know, you can pop up the wheelie at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Just based on all the components that this bike has, the bigger wheels, better tires, bigger swing arm, more power, I definitely recommend this bike as the perfect budget E-moto that's out right now. And the black version definitely looks really sick. So if you guys are interested in getting a Yasma, use code Lucci at yasmasport.com. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me lately. My last long form video did really well. Of course, it didn't do absolutely amazing freaking viral video, but it got like 6,000 views. I think it's sitting at right now. And dude, I'm so happy with that. Just recently, a lot of my long form videos have kind of been doing kind of bad, you know, getting under 1,000 views, couple hundred views. Sometimes I get like 200 views. You know what I mean? It doesn't bother me. That's just like how YouTube works. It goes up and down, up and down. But I'm always really happy when I get a video that does over 1,000 views. And guys, I do have a job at Target. Just recently, this month of April, I was able to make more money than what I made at Target. It's just like a sign that, like, if I keep grinding at this, I might be able to, you know, quit my job at Target and focus full time on YouTube, which is just something unbelievable, bro. I never would have imagined that would even be possible. But it happening this soon is just absolutely insane, bro. I can't believe it. I'm just still in like complete shock. I'm in like loss for words, bro. I don't even know how to explain how I feel, bro. It's just absolutely insane. I can't even put it into words. I really can't. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.